Okay, we're heading back out into the blizzard. Looks much different today than it did the other day. A storm came through last night and it has covered everything in lots of fresh new snow.
22 degrees.
It's chilly. We're gonna freeze our giblets off. And we've got Catherine and David with us, and Corrine and her friend with her.
They're friends.
And Emma. Hi, Emma. Where are we going? On a date? Like the other day? Yeah. So we're gonna see how this goes. The run should be a little slower today with the new fresh powder.
We haven't been up.
And there's a lot of snow. I'll try and show you guys that frozen fountain I saw the other day. I come across that. Oh, it was this house. There it is. You kind of saw a glimpse of it, people. It was a fountain that was totally frozen. The water's still on. It's kind of weird.
It's totally frozen.
What is it?
It's still frozen.
It's still frozen?
Yeah, it's still frozen.
Yeah, it's still frozen. It's totally frozen. What? Put my camera away?
I agree. Put your camera
Why?
away. Drive.
You don't want me to have my camera out? You don't want me to record you?
No.
But I like recording you. You're so cute. It's totally snowing right now. There's like a foot of new snow on the sled here area. I've kind of gone down once to sort of mat it down, and that didn't work so well. But the guy that lives here is going to go see if he can find someone to groom it for us. See what the kids are doing. Floor's over there. Yes. Corine's playing with her friend. They're just friends. They don't like each other. I did that with just my friends. You like my shoes? These are custom made by duct tape. Don't get any better than that. Except yours are probably better than mine. They're green. They automatically win. Mine are gray. That's boring. Gray's boring. That's true. It's true. But I like green better, so yours win. And those two just keep throwing snow all over each other. I don't know how she's not freezing. There we go. Smash that down for us. Frozen? Hey, Dave! What you doing in there? Huh? Don't look at me. Are you warm or cold? Don't talk to me. I see a kind of a smile. All right, here comes Catherine and David. Oh, they're gonna run that kid over. All right. Don't touch me. My toes are cold. Shoes get cold without soles. Just in case you didn't know that. Toes are a bit nippy. I'm like a pioneer. I know I mentioned that earlier. I like to have leather soles like their shoes. Yeah, I wanted to see what it's like to be a pioneer. Okay, let's try this again.
You want on top of me?
Why? Squish you?
You would squish me.
Yeah, I would squish you.
No,
Let's go next to each other.
Okay.
So we have to get closer to the edge. Okay, the wind is not helping. The wind right now is not making it better. Okay, come on. Get on half of it.
You want to push you guys? Ready?
This is a tough nest. The snow's blinding my eyes! I can't see! Yeah, well, it's not going to get good and slick today, mister. Dry, yeah. Dry. Here come the friends. Let's see who falls off. Are they locking their legs? That's cute. That's so friendish. Super duper.
Salmon.
Most likely we'll turn around.
No, I won't.
Ooh, we're going in the blind. Woo, that was much better without the snow on my face.
You're right. You're so right. Oh. James, I got my face fully covered though. It looks like this.
Don't touch. I can't see. It's blind. Get your water bottle, litterer. All right.
We're probably not even going to go past that. I know.
In position. We'll have to push us. Laura and I will push us. Okay, ready?
Up on it?
Okay,
Oh yeah,
push.
get up on it. I don't have anything.
There we go. That's a mega train. Yeah, we did when we went down.
That's my extra weight.
Because I'm so fat. Look at us, there goes Mommy and all the snow. Oh, we're stopped. Okay, let's do it again. Here comes Mommy. Oh no, run away. Ah, Mommy. Ready?
Set, go!
Go! Whoa! Say bye, Mom! See you later. Oh, we're stopped. Hey, Emma. Wave hi to the camera. Say hi, camera. Are you having fun? Yeah. Oh, yeah? You are at the park. Say 1, 2, are closed. Oh, now they're open. All done. Okay, let's watch David. Here they come. Here they come. Woo! And here comes Mommy. Go get Mommy, Emma. Go get her. Go get her. Go jump on her. Go jump on her, Emma. Ah! Okay, here comes Kareen. Oh, here they come. She's running away. Ooh, look at that way of sitting. Did you run away? Go get her. Run away! Run away! Run!
Just so it's not coming down her face right now. Oh. You scared the snot out of her.
Ah!
We're going home. Emma's like, I want to stay here.
Oh, now you want to stay.
Now she's having fun. How did you stay so?
What are you guys doing?
Oh, fun.
Are you making tracks?
Hi, David. Is that the snow?
You making tracks? You guys are gonna get hit. Huh. Are you doing a snow angel, Emma? Hold on, let me come look. Here, do it again. Ah! Okay, look at it. Ah! That's cute. David, oh, you gonna do it too, bud? It's like, I'm not sure about this. You're gonna snow on my face. You have to do your arms. Wave your arms up and down in the snow. You just keep eating the snow. Falls in your mouth. No. Okay, keep doing it. Throw more. Go throw more snow on Mommy. Quick. Quick. Go throw it on her. Quick. Here she comes. You better run. I think you got her face. Get her! Throw snow at Mommy! Get her! Not cool, Mom. Not cool. Mommy hasn't been in many snowball fights. She doesn't know face is off limits. That was a great shot. Way to go. You just ended the fun.